Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a very important project that is about to launch its token. You can't actually access this token from anywhere other than specified platforms or exchanges that are doing a token launch. For instance, the SUI team is launching the token via the Binance launch pool. Alright, I'll simply go to Binance launch pool and say Launchpad, Binance Launchpad. They are going to be launching the token via the Binance Launchpad. This is Binance Launchpad, and as you can see, SUI is 9 hours away from being launched. Alright, so those who want to stand the chance to have some SUI when it launches will have to stake either TUSD or BNB. all right, so you have two pools. The true USD by BNB, Binance native token, BNB. all right, so you stake either of this and stand a chance to earn the SUI token when it launches. All right, these are the details for the Binance launch pad. When I click on this, you'll see the token information, so you can actually stake your TUSD in the TUSD pool to farm SUI tokens. You can see total TUSD pool rewards. They are going to be giving away about 8 million SUI in the TUSD pool, and it's going to be farmed for 2 days. All right, so that's about this. And you can see total staked TUSD is in the tune of 773 million TUSD has been staked and ready to earn SUI after 2 days. All right, so it's going to be happening in 9 hours time. So that's for the TUSD. And the Binance pool, the Binance pool reward is giving away about 32 million SUI when you stake your BNB tokens. All right, and the farming period is for 2 days, and this is the total amount of reward for today for those who have staked. All right, that is that. I'm going to be showing you how to stake your BNB or your TUSD, but I'm going to be doing just BNB here. So I'm going to be buying some BNB token and then showing you how to stake and earn SUI when it launches. All right, so I'll go back and let me give you a brief intro of what SUI is before we continue. And you'll be greeted with this page when you click the first button there. It says SUI is an innovative decentralized layer 1 blockchain that redefines asset ownership. All right, so I might have to turn my screen around so you get a full glimpse of what the SUI token is. All right, that is just a simple introduction or description of what the SUI blockchain is. It is an innovative and decentralized layer 1 blockchain, just like Ethereum. All right, just like Avalanche. All right, these are all. That is that about that. If I go back again and click on the SUI token, I'll give you a brief introduction of what the SUI token is. SUI native asset is called SUI. The token uses this capitalized version of the SUI to distinguish the token from the SUI platform. The total supply of SUI is capped at 10 billion tokens. So there would ever exist, and there would only exist 10 billion SUI tokens. A share of SUI total supply will be liquid at mainnet launch, which is in 2 days time, with the remaining tokens vesting over the coming years or distributed as future stake reward subsides. All right, the SUI token serves 4 purposes on the SUI platform. 1, users can stake SUI to participate in a proof of stake mechanism. 2, SUI is an asset denomination needed for paying the gas fees required to execute and store transactions or other operations on the SUI platform. 3, SUI can be used as a versatile and liquid asset for various applications, including the standard feature of money, a unit of account, a medium of exchange, or a store of value, and more complex functionality enabled by smart contracts, interoperability, and composability across the SUI ecosystem. SUI tokens can also play an important role in governance by acting as a right to participate in on-chain voting on issues such as protocol upgrades. All right, since the SUI token is available in infinite supply, is available in infinite supply, meaning it is capped. All right, the same amount of tokens will need to be used across more economic activities in the long run if SUI unlocks many use cases and millions of users migrate to the platform. In addition, the storage fund's presence creates important monetary dynamics in that higher on-chain data requirement translates into a larger storage fund, reducing the amount of SUI in circulation. That is a brief introduction of what SUI is. In this video, my main aim is to show you how to earn SUI tokens. All right, so you click on Launchpad, and then you see these two options here. But first, I have to get some BNB, which I am going to be staking. So I'll go to the spot market and search for BNB USDT. All right, so I can actually purchase some BNB if I decide to stake. Right, so I'm going to go to my wallet. I think I have some USDT line here. I have some 840 USDT, sorry. So I'm going to be transferring. The current price of one BNB is 324 USDT. So I'm going to be buying 1.5 BNB. All right, I'll go to my wallet and I'll transfer USDT. Transfer, let me say 550. Let me buy 550 or 551. Right, so I'll buy 550 worth of US BNB token. I'll come here and I'll click, I want to market buy. I want to exhaust everything in my wallet, right? So I'll just click on this and I'll buy that amount. So I'm going to be having this. So you can see I have 1.69 BNB already. So I'll have to go back to the home page and then I'll go to more and then I'll look for launchpad, right? And then I have BNB. I want to stake my BNB and be able to earn SUI when it launches. All right, so I have about how many hours to the start of this stake process. It is actually on already. Those who have staked will be entitled to any reward. So it begins in 20 hours, right? In 20 hours time. So I'll click on stake. You can see the available BNB I have here. I'll click on max. I want to max it out, and then I'll click on stake. It's very simple and straightforward. You can see successfully staked, right? It shows here my funds. BNB staked 1.693 BNB. So I have staked it already, and then if I decide to redeem, I can decide to click on the redeem button and then I'll max out and redeem, but I'm not redeeming yet. So I'll wait for this time to elapse and then I'll see how much SUI I have gotten. I'll do a video to show you when I redeem my BNB and get my SUI tokens, and I'll show you how much SUI token I was entitled. All right, that is pretty much how and what I wanted to show you on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and do share my video if you find this content interesting and you like contents like this. All right, see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.